Hello, my name is Julia Ortega. I am talking the planning my future. I have often been asked what I want for my future. I can see how this question can be simple for some, but for me it is very easy to finish this technical I am doing right now as this really trampoline to pay me university and my professional. This is administration hell as is very rewarding monetarily and society. In the future, I will head to the point where I leave everything and go. But it is not just say it's so. I have a beautiful daughter was in an I think not only the one for of me other plans is to give a home to my grandmother and my sister. But it is certain that I will use have to make money. I want to know Santorini, Grecia. Go, go with my daughter and my couple. Finally, the most reasonable goal is to be happy. I want to be happy. When the life I live, I want to be able to look back and proud to say that was my life. Have made a difference in someone's life. Do not want to spend years working on anything I want my work to have meaning. If I fill my life with something good, then I know I will be happy when the end comes. It is really all I can ask. Bye bye.